To use the Roundabout tool, we need two Civil 3D or two Civil Site Design alignments, one representing the inner edge of the roundabout, which is essentially the island, and then one representing the outer edge, which is going to represent the edge of the apron or annulus. In Civil 3D, you will need to use these polylines and create alignments using the same naming convention that we're now going to use with the AutoCAD BricsCAD version. We're going to be creating alignments on top of this polyline and this polyline. So we're going to go up to the Alignments tab. We're going to go to Create Alignment, and then left click on this inside polyline. If you are using Civil Site Design and you happen to have drawn a circle, Civil Site Design on the AutoCAD BricsCAD version will actually convert that circle to a polyline. Civil 3D users will note that Civil 3D won't allow you to create an alignment from a circle, so you will have to go about converting that circle into a polyline or generate a circular alignment. We're going to provide a name. Underneath, we can leave string type empty. We can put a description. What we are going to do though is make sure we keep the polyline. So make sure you uncheck the delete existing object box. The direction is not particularly important. As long as both alignments are going in the same direction, in this case clockwise, it doesn't matter. When we come to apply a template for the inner island, the direction does matter. We need to make sure that the template is on the right hand side of the center line, so it's on the inside of this particular alignment. So we'll have a look at that shortly. Once you've done that, we'll just quickly apply dynamic drawing labels. Where we've got sections, list and standard, we're going to click on the pencil icon and we're going to hold down shift and select all of the cells on the chainage column, and then we're going to uncheck. This is a quick way of saying I don't want to see any chainage annotation being displayed on my alignment. Click OK. You can see that they've been removed. All we're going to do is click OK. Now we're going to run through the same process for the outer island. Create alignment, click on the polyline, going to provide a name. We're going to make sure we don't delete the polyline. Underneath, we're going to apply dynamic drawing labels. Where we have standard, we're just going to click on the pencil icon and deselect all of these changes and click OK. Just a quick note, the direction is the same. Let's click on OK. Now we've created the alignments, now we're going to have a look at the template we're going to apply on the inner island. So we're going to pop to the Roads tab, go to Create Edit Section, and in there we're going to find the template that we're going to apply and just have a quick look. So we're going to go to Select Template, and from the list we're looking for the following: Local Curb Mountable R for Right, and click OK. So this is one of the pre-created curbs that's in the Civil Site Design library. What's going to happen is this particular curb will be added to this alignment and we're going to end up with an inner roundabout string. The important thing to note on this template, as with other network strings, is the inclusion of the LDUM code, because the curb will be on the inside. This particular code will be projected onto the outer alignment for us. Okay, so it's important we've got LDUM sitting on there. If your alignments are going in the opposite direction, then you'd obviously be making sure you've got RDUM instead. Because this is one of the ones that's been pre-created within the software, we have these ready-made for you. Let's click OK. Now we're ready to create the roundabout.